We have 32 districts kasi yung supposedly yung earmark for Sulu na i-distribute na sa ibang probinsya. So 32 districts for the whole BARM.
Ongoing ngayon.
Ongoing ngayon hanggang May 7. Tatlong araw lang.
So, ano nangyari sa application sa UBD?
Actually, pending pa dahil sa opposition na nag-file. Dalawang opposition na nag-file.
Sino, sir?
Hindi ko lang matandaan yung individual na nag-file. So they have to resolve it muna yung opposition. But very likely, before the end of the day, or the latest tomorrow, lalabas yung decision ng Commission in Bank per target ng ating Honorable Chairman and of course the in-bank.
If worse come to worse, hindi na-approve ang application sa UBD, what will happen to the candidate?
They will turn into an independent candidate.
Depende. Hindi ka na,
Pero, well, as of now, we cannot say na hindi ma-approve at ma-approve.
so far, peaceful ba?
Very peaceful. Dito nga lang, we transfer the venue of the filing para ma-accommodate lahat. Kasi under the rules, tatlo lang ang pwedeng pumasok. And that's of course reasonable dahil maliit yung opisina. But with the apprehensions na marami nga sasama, we transferred it here in the gym para marami ang ma-accommodate and everything will be put into proper perspective.
Sir, sa tingin niyo po ba, tuloy-tuloy na campaign, wala nang cancellation, wala nang delay?
Sa tingin ko tuloy-tuloy na because anybody who will be barring the conduct of the election, talagang will be put in a very nakakahiya for them kasi they have been interrupting the conduct of the election. Ito ang hinihintay ng buong Bangsamoro at ng lahat na Bangsamoro members.